Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 64 Impala. It's got a 327 under the hood making 300 horsepower, a 4-speed, bucket seats. She is drop dead gorgeous. As you can see, grille looks like it's brand new. The chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. The paint is amazing, deep red, looking sweet. The whole restoration on the car is absolutely beautiful. All the body lines looking good, all the stainless, all the aluminum looking good, the body lines on the door looking sweet, rocker panel looking good, and the Cragars, man, really looking sweet on this beauty. Check out this black interior, absolutely gorgeous. Door panels are looking good, door jambs look great. Always check out the door jambs on every car. You can tell the quality of the build on how much attention they've paid to the door jambs. You can see the finish on the dash. Everything's looking sweet in there. Got the tack there in the center. Love these skinny steering wheels. You can see the 4-speed shifter there. Now the instructions you see hanging there from the rearview mirror, those tell you how to operate the car. We got the back seat looking sweet. All the upholstery back there is looking good. The trim around the back window looks good. Headliner's nice and tight. Upholstery on the front seats looks good. Center console's looking good with that Hurst Shifter in there. We got a 2-pack of gauges there underneath the dash there. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Love those 2-spoke wheels. Very, very sweet. Look down that big long quarter panel, how nice and straight the bodywork is. All the body lines here around the deck lid looking sweet. That paint is just as soft as can be. All the trim here around the tail lights is looking good. The chrome on the rear bumper looks like it's also brand new. Get inside the trunk here, look at that. Looks brand new in there also. Always check out all the nooks and crannies here. See how nice and clean everything is. Even the bottom side of the deck lid and the lips on the deck lid look good. There's a spare tire in here. All the rubber looks good here also. All the aluminum and the trim back here also looks great. Look down the side there on the passenger side. Looking sweet, straight as an arrow. Tell you what, Body Man did a beautiful job on this one. Guy who sprayed the paint did a beautiful job. Everything about the car just phenomenal. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. Right now we've got a little over 200 cars in stock and we buy anywhere between 40 and 50 new cars every month. So we've always got new inventory coming in. So make sure you follow us on Facebook. Check us out on YouTube, follow us on Instagram. We've always got new stuff coming in, guys. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We've always got new inventory coming in there, and Tom's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so he can answer all your questions. Now, the first thing we do to every one of these cars when we get them in here to the shop is get them up on the lift so Tom can answer your questions. So call him at 248-974-9513. Now, we're going to get this baby out and drive it. All right, 64 Impala time, baby. 4-speed, red, looking sweet, sounding amazing. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beauty and we can ship it anywhere in the world. All you gotta do is give Tom a call, and don't forget he answers his phone practically 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. So you can call that man anytime you'd like. Pick up the phone right now. And we do have a bankers that we work with on financing. So if you need help with financing, we can help you out with that too. No problem whatsoever. They'll take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing. Just make that phone call. Man, it's got a good sounding exhaust system on it. And of course, with that 4-speed, you can really make that exhaust sound amazing. Now, as you look down here on the dash, you can see that the speedo is working, the tach is working, and then we got a 2-pack of gauges down here underneath the dash. That looks like the oil pressure and the water temperature. It does have the stock radio in it, so if you're a radio guy, you want to upgrade that, no problem whatsoever. We got a whole team of mechanics that we can take care of that for you. You just let Tom know what you want. He will take care of you. Man, this thing sounds good. Reminds me of my old high school days. Now, we're gonna put this baby up on the lift and show you just how nice the bottom is. Very few people put all their cars up on the lift, but at Vanguard, we'll show you the bottom of every one of them. Now, we do have 2 facilities here in Detroit. They're only about 1.5 miles apart. So if you'd like to come in and check them out in person, make sure you let us know you're coming so we can have it right up front so you can take a look. We do have a lot of cars in inventory. Here's our main building here at 15100 Keel Street. So keep an eye on us, guys. We're gonna put it in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this Impala now, and man, it is pretty under here. As you can see, the trunk floor looking sweet, gas tank looking new, exhaust is definitely new. The rear end is Posi, fairly rare for this car. 336 gear. You can see the center section's all primered up just like it would have been from the factory. You can see the floorboards are all primered up just like they would have been from the factory. Frame's all painted up. Exhaust is all tucked up in there nice and neat. I mean, it is beautiful under here. I'll tell you what, you're gonna need to get some mirrors and show this thing off. It is pretty under here. Flowmaster mufflers. We've got Muncie 4-speed trans here. We got the mechanical clutch, just like would have come from the factory. Factory appearing bell housing here. Everything under here is nice and clean, nice and painted, looking sweet. All the brakes all the way around. The guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Everything under here is super clean, nice and neat. You can see all the hardware's nice and clean. You can see the tires are brand new also. Still got the blue on the white walls here, or I should say the white letters. Back side of the bumper's nice and clean. Looks like brand new chrome here. Everything under here is looking sweet. All the sway bar bushings look like they're new. We got Cragars. Let's see if I can see the size. We got 225 70 14s. The paint work right down to the bottom edge is looking good. Wheelhouses are nicely painted. Paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front fender's looking good. You feel around on the back side here, everything's nice and clean. Pinch weld looks nice and clean. Bottom of the rocker's nice and clean. You can see that pinch weld all the way down looking good. Primer looking good all the way down. We got Cragars in the back here too. We got 225 70 14s back here also. The lip here on the wheel lip looking good and feeling nice and smooth and nice and clean. Paint work right down to the bottom edge here looking good. And again, that exhaust coming right out here looking good. The bushings on the body mounts here are all brand new. The hangers on the exhaust all looking good. I mean, this thing is beautiful, guys. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 327. It's a 62 model. We got Iron Eagle cast iron heads. We got a 650 Holly. We've got, of course, it's a 4-barrel. We got a Performer RPM intake. That's an aluminum intake. It's all painted up. We got power brakes. We got power steering. You can see brand new bushings in the upper control arms. You can see everything up here is painted up nice, looking sweet. Looks like we got a blaster coil tucked in under the front fender there, nice and neat. Everything's looking sweet under here. We got some chrome bracketry under here. We got a brand new AC Delco battery. Got some good looking Edelbrock aluminum valve covers here. What looks like a billet distributor back there. It does have a mechanical fuel pump on it. We've got some stock appearing exhaust manifolds here. Firewall's nice and clean. Wiring harness is nice and neat. We got new fiberglass here on the bottom side of the hood. Nice paint on the bottom side of the hood. Fairly new looking radiator, at least rebuilt unit here. Everything under here is nicely painted, looking sharp. I mean, a beautiful car here, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.